Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, we want to solve for x from this equation. X to the power x multiplying root x is equal to x multiplying root x all exponent x. So stay tuned and let's learn together. Now we're given x exponent x multiplying root x is equal to x multiplying root x all exponent x. Now from here we can rewrite root x as x to the power half. So in place of root x over here, we are going to write x to the power half over there, and then do same for this one also. So we are going to have x to the power x multiplying x to the power half is equal to, then inside the bracket you are going to have x multiplying x to the power half all exponent x. Now from here we are going to have x exponent. Now we are going to use the law of indices, which state that when we have, let's say, a to the power m multiplying a exponent n, according to the law of indices, we can rewrite this as a exponent m plus n. So we are going to add the exponent, and remember this is to the power 1. So we are going to have s exponent 1 plus half. And so this will be equal to, then we do same for this one. Here is to the power 1. We are going to have s exponent 1 plus half all exponent x. So we are going to have x exponent s to the power 3 on 2, and this will be equal to s to the power 3 on 2 all exponent x. And then from here you can write the right hand side as s to the power 3 on 2 multiplying x, and this will be equal to s to the power x exponent 3 on 2. And so from here we are going to take natural log of both sides. So we are going to have the natural log of s to the power x to the power 3 on 2 is equal to the natural log of s to the power 3 on 2 multiplying x. And from here you can rewrite this as s to the power 3 on 2 multiplying the natural log of x is equal to, we can also rewrite this as 3 on 2 multiplying x multiplying the log of x. From here, let us move everything to the left hand side so that the right hand side will become 0. So when we do that, we are going to have s to the power 3 on 2 multiplying log of x minus 3 on 2x multiplying the natural log of x is equal to 0. And from here we have natural log of x in common, so we are going to factorize that out. So we are going to have natural log of x out, so we are going to be left with s to the power 3 on 2 minus 3 on 2x, and this will be equal to 0. Now let's clean this side before. And so from here we can equate this to 0 and also equate this to 0. So when we do that, you are going to have the natural log of x to be equal to 0, or we can also have s to the power 3 on 2 minus 3 on 2x is equal to 0. And so from here, to be able to get x, we are going to raise e to the power ln of x, and then also do same for 0, raise e to the power 0. So from here, we are going to have x to be equal to e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. And so we have s to be equal to 1 as one of our answers. Now let's move on to this one. And so from here we have s to the power 3 on 2 minus 3 on 2 multiplying x is equal to 0. Now from here I can factorize out x. So let's do that. So we are going to have s out. Here we are going to be left with s to the power half minus, then here this s will go away, so we are going to be left with 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Now you can also equate this to 0 and also do same for this. So let's go ahead and do that. So you are going to have s to be equal to 0, or we are also going to have s to the power half minus 3 on 2 to be equal to 0. Now from here we are going to have s to the power half to be equal to 3 on 2. And so from here I'm going to raise both sides to the power 2, both sides to the power 2. So the 2 here will cancel out the 2, and then s will be equal to 3 squared over 2 squared, which we are going to have s to be equal to 9/4. And so our answers are s is equal to 1, s is equal to 0, and then s is equal to 9/4. And from the left hand side of the question, we were given s to the power x multiplying the square root of x. And so when we substitute s equal to 0 into this, we are going to have 0 exponent 0 times square root of 0, which we are going to have 0 to the power 0. And 0 to the power 0 is indeterminate. So s equal to 0 is not part of our answers. So our answers are s equal to 1 and then s equal to 9/4. So these are our two answers. S is equal to 1 and then s is equal to 9/4. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well. See you in the next video.